How to find wishlist in AliExpress. Hi everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can find your wishlist in AliExpress application. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Once you have opened your app, you must be really sure that you are into your account. So at the bottom of your screen in the bottom right corner, you're going to find the account. And if your name is on top of it, is because you are already into your account. So there, all you have to do is to scroll down in this menu because at the end you have your wish list. Perhaps you don't have anything. So what I recommend you to do is go into try to shop something. Let's suppose this. I don't know what this is. This is Ryobi Ranmi. I don't know what is this. Spinning real salt water. Okay, so instead of clicking on buy now, I'm going to click on this heart at the bottom, at the right corner, bottom right corner of this picture, this image. So this is gonna be added into my wish list. So I can create a new list. Let's suppose test, click on check. Or also I'm gonna try with a different product. You can select the wish list. So in this case, the first wish list I created. So if I go back into my account, I'm gonna find all my products into my wish list, my different wish lists, or also you can select between different wish lists, okay? And that's how you can do it. That's how you can find a wish list in AliExpress. Thanks for watching.